Do you remember during the heat of COVID, a lot of people didn't even know what day it was. They wouldn't know what month it was. Some people wouldn't even know what year it was because we just were quarantined at home, stay at home, lockdown, and we didn't even know what day it was. What, is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Is it June? Is it March? Is it 2020? Is it 2019 still? Is COVID-19? Is it? People didn't even know what day it was, right? Well, we're having an argument right now because Tiger Lily, who is right here, maybe you can set her straight. She is right here, taking a sun bath. There she is. And she says today is Sunday. And I said, no, look at the calendar. I even showed her the calendar. It's Saturday. And she says, no, it is Sunday. Today is Sunday. It's not Saturday. She says it's Sunday. And there she is, having some sun here in the afternoon. But Tiger Lily, right there, says today is definitely Sunday, not Saturday. Even though there's college football on and no NFL, she says today is definitely Sunday. What do you think? Tiger Lily, are you sure it's Sunday? Are you sure? She says she's sure. She says she's sure it's Sunday.